on this documentation through LaTeX software to you. Dear participants and organizing committee director, Dr. C.M. Patil sir, I heartily welcome to all of you to this international workshop. In this workshop, we are going to study what is LaTeX software, how do you use this software for our documentation in serious and scientific document manner. In this session, today, we are going to see these kind of things. The learning objectives of this lecture are, first one is documentation. What is documentation? Why we need documentation. Second one is what is LaTeX. Third one is prime tools to execute the LaTeX. Last one is size of text editors. First one is documentation. What is documentation? Any one of you tell the answer. What is documentation? Dear friends, any one of you, please tell what is documentation. Because the word is not new to us. What is documentation?
Where we keep our data ready like Word or Excel files and all. Where you keep your data in a process of document. That is the documentation.
Yes, good. Next. May you tell another answer? Expecting more responses from you.
Ma'am, where we store our papers and all the material that we need to study, and we need to look back for further use.
Super good. Any other?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, documentation means such type of records that keep official information or evidences in the form of records.
Okay, next. Anybody want to tell the answer? Shall I proceed? Your answers are all correct. Because we haven't prompt definition of documentation. According to the field, according to the documents, the documentation carries different type of definition, but the documentation is storing our data in correct manner. Okay, this is a simple sentence answer. Today, we are handling huge number of data, but we're receiving the data very randomly. We couldn't get any data in proper way. Proper way in the sense, we couldn't get the data in sequence or in any order. No. Today, we are joining or we are connecting in cloud-based networking. So, we can get so many data in a pouch, but we couldn't all the data in any particular order. So again, you go to the next process. How we go to grouping or ordering. That is called filter. Next, the filter process, we are going to process the same stage in different levels. So these are all the documentation process. Again, after filtering, you go to the data mining and then you can collect the similar data. Again, we can document. So documentation is nothing but the process to collect and store which will make in future use. That is called documentation. already I told, we couldn't receive any data in correct order or in correct sequence. So in documentation, the first process, we have to filter the data as per our need. In this process, filtering is, today filtering is nothing. We have so many softwares, we can so many ways to filter. But again, after filtering, again we go to the another process. Secondary data, we can come to the after now your secondary data we can enter into the main sheet or maintain any official document. So that document should be neat. That document should be neat. Why? In future use. After 20 years, we may search the same thing. After 30 years, somebody need and search the same document. So in the documentation process, entering the data or entering the details is very, very important. So this is the documentation. Documentation is not what I said only. It is a very huge area, but just I told the layer of documentation. What is documentation? Because we are moving into the hands section. That's just I finished my view on documentation in this section. Next one is LaTeX. What is LaTeX? Actual, your spelling is LATEX, but we can't say this latex, LaTeX or LaTeX. Okay, LaTeX or LAY hyphen tech, 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 or LaTeX. Okay, so this is the pronunciation of this word. What does this mean? This is a typesetting document. What is LaTeX? LaTeX is nothing but typesetting document which produce or which gives any documenting things in scientific documentation. You can document any scientific documentation. You can documenting any kind of material in neat manner. What are all the prime tools in LaTeX? We can use so many tools, but very, 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 very essential tool of this LaTeX is text editor and then drawing platforms. Before we are moving into the text editor, the soul of the LaTeX is MikTeX software. Text editor and draw platform, these are all the editors. Okay, when we enter our document in the text texting, that text convert into the PDF in this platform, text editor. Suppose you want to draw some circle, you want to draw some triangle, you want to draw some irregular shape in your document, you go to drawing platform. Okay, these are all the prime tools. Before I showing the text editor, I have just briefed the silent feature of text editor. This is the independent platform. Text editor is the independent platform. We have so many text editor. First one is the Text Studio. Next one is the Text Maker, TextWorks. This is for a drawing tools, TextDraw, TextCAD. Apart from this, we have Bocoma editor and WinText and so many things. These are all the text editor. Now we are entering into the LaTeX platform. As I am an initial stage to learn LaTeX software, what I do? First, go to the Google search engine. Just type MikTeX free download. All of you listen carefully. This is the source software to perform or to convert our text file into PDF version. Okay, so this is MikTeX free download. Kindly notice this thing, https://miktex.org download. This is the official website of this MikTeX software. So just double click, we get this page.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, yes, sir.
I think it is no. If you are online, it is not visible. We can see your screen of page number 5, sheet 5.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
You need to share whole screen.
Yeah, okay. Now is it visible, sir?
Participants are requested, please take screenshot of this page.
Yeah. I
Official
Yeah.
download link of LaTeX software. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes. This is the page. Before, just I type MikTeX free download. Just I texted on Google search engine. I got this web page and click this one. This is the official web page of this one. Now we can get getting MikTeX. Getting MikTeX is the first page to get the MikTeX software. Okay. Now, what are all the prerequisites? Just go and read it. Okay. Just we go and click this download button. When you go and click this button, you get this exe folder. It will take some minutes because very first time you download it means it get so many minutes, not more than 3 minutes. Now I go to the install MikTeX on Windows. Just here, each and every step they are explained with the figure screenshot. Okay. Now we are getting this one. Look at my page, the page. Here we get copying condition. The wizard first shows the MikTeX copying condition. Your dialog box is open like this. Are you visible? Are you visible? Dear participant, are you visible this page? Yeah. So now, when I click this downloaded file, I got this dialog box. Here also we have the same thing. Okay. Using this page, I explained how to install. Okay. Now just I copying this address and put it in the chat box. I think it will help you a lot. Okay. This is the instruction. And this is the download page. First one carries the instruction. and second one gives the download page. Okay, using this, you can download step by step. First, we will get this copying condition page. Just click next. Just we accept the Miktex copying condition. Whenever you go to download any software, they ask the permission or they ask the acceptance, what are the condition or there. Okay, so first we click the acceptance and then go to the next button. Now the next dialog box is open. Okay, here the dialog box asks two things. First one is install Miktex only for me or install Miktex for anyone who uses this computer, that is for all users. Okay, so first we click the install Miktex only for me. Okay, so just click it and then go to next. Okay, here we have two pop-up buttons. We click the first pop-up button and next go to the next button. Next we will get the installation directory. Please don't change the path, that is directory. Whatever it is displayed, please leave it. Okay, automatically this path indicates the C drive. Okay, always our program files are saved in C drive. Automatically the dialog box will show the C drive. Okay, here the path is drive C. First folder, source folder name is user. Next CS, app data, local program, Miktex 2.9. The version is 2.9. We have so many versions. Okay, we can so many versions. Windows 10, after Windows 10 OS only, this Miktex 2.9 will be executed. Okay, before version, we couldn't execute this Miktex 2.9. Okay, the recent version, that is after Windows 10 updated versions, you can use this Miktex 2.9. Okay, don't go to browser and anything, whatever it is, this just we check the path indicates from C. That's enough. Okay, otherwise please don't need to change any path, anything. It is just go and click next, and then this dialog box will be open. Preferred paper is A4 and install missing packages on play. Ask me first. Okay, ask me first. In the initial stage, the source folder doesn't contain some of the packages, some of the special packages, which are also free, but the source folder at the initial stage, the source file doesn't contain some of the packages. After you installing your Miktex, whatever you need that particular packages, you can add it. Okay, before we can add, the system asks the permission to you. That's why you click ask me first. Okay, then only you are aware to install unnecessary packages. Okay, so in this step, just you click preferred paper is A4 and install missing packages on the place. Ask me first. Okay, at any stage you can include the special packages. Okay, even after typing all the documents. Okay, next click the next button. Now come to this review. Now just this box gives what we done. Okay, what we done in your earlier steps. Now we are going to click this start. When we click this start button, you can get this box, that is installation progress indications. This indicate installation progress. Okay, it will take more than 5 minutes. Okay, it will take more than 5 minutes. Please be calm to get all the things. Okay, don't go to cancel and anything. Just be wait to get this result completion. Okay, so now go to close. So automatically you can get the MikTeX setup in your Windows. This is the source code. Okay, this carries the source code. In this MikTeX, you can type any text. Okay, but without text editor, this MikTeX doesn't work. With the use of any type of text editor, you can perform all the good things in your MikTeX. Okay, this is the source software to perform your LaTeX. Till that step, do we have any clarification or any doubt? Please ask me. Do you have any doubt? Please ask me. Dear participants, do you have any doubt to install this MikTeX? Good. Sohi Sharma, I'm already downloaded this software. Good. Yeah. Joyson referred to one YouTube link. Good. Next. Is it clear? Up to that, all of you clear? Yeah, obviously 2.9 is 32-bit version. Please don't quote 64 and that is not necessary. 32-bit is enough. Okay, shall I move to the next one? If you don't have any doubt, please put one on the chat box. If you haven't any doubt, please put one on the chat box. All of you get any. Windows 10 only it will work, sir. MikTeX 2.9. You can use the earlier version, sir. You can use the earlier version. There is no problem. TextMaker is also doesn't work on Windows 7. Technic Center, earlier version you can use for text editor for Windows 7. Okay, I got only one. If you have, yeah, you will get the message whenever you click on, when you go to work on this MikTeX, it will ask the question or it will give a pop-up. Will I update on you? It's automatically generated, sir. Just we click the yes, it will automatically generate. Any questions? Okay. Next one. Already I told, MikTeX doesn't alone give any good things in LaTeX. Okay. Using the text editor, you can perform. If you not click the S means, Sharma sir, if you not click the S means you are working in the earlier version. Okay. Okay, earlier version in the sense we couldn't update yourself. That is the thing. Apart from that, we couldn't lose anything. Okay, Sharma sir. Okay, now already I show so many text editors. First, I'm going to show the environment of Text Studio. Text Studio and Technique Center. These are all, these two text editor is most popular than others. So now Text Studio. These are all the menus. File edit, IDFix, tools, LaTeX, math, wizards, bibliography, and so on. Please don't go open all the things, because at the initial stage, we get so many confusions. Okay. So at the initial stage, don't go work on the all the things. First, you just click the new button. This is the new sheet. Okay. The very first sentence of LaTeX conversion, sorry, PDF conversion in any text editor as document class. When you start / document class, we can get this selection box.
Please
Okay.
share screen, ma'am.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So we can go document class. Okay, this is the very first sentence. Okay, in your
Please,
text
sorry.
editor.
Can you repeat, please, the last
Yeah.
step?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem. This is the Text Studio. Okay, this is the Text Studio environment. This is the one of the text editor, leading text editor. Okay, when we use convert your .text file into the .pdf file. Okay, that is text extension to PDF extension. First, simply you go and click this new template or new sheet, Control N. Okay, as we use it, Microsoft Word. Okay, now this is your very fresh page. Already we knew some programming language in computer field, that is C, C++, Java programming. Whatever you have, the structured programming, each and every coding of program start with some header file. For example, every C program starts with studio.h. Dear participant, please mute yourself. Okay. Studio.h. For C++, hash include iostream.h. For Java, import Java IO star. These indicates we are going to write certain coding based on C or C++. So the first line of each and every program tells the execution point the user is going to type this programming language. Okay, this programming language. So normal language is different from programming language. Here I mentioned programming language. C, C++, Java, these are all the programming language. Likewise, you type one set of coding in this text editor. So first line indicates which type of document you are going to type, like header file in your programming languages. Okay, very first line is reversed slash document class. When we start reverse slash document class, this selection box will be open. Okay. Now, the first one is built-in command. This is the library, built-in library command. Okay. Next one is within this bracket, you can fix your font size. 12 pt is the font size here. Next, you can add the paper size, A4 paper or A5 paper and so on. At the initial stage, I didn't use here. Next one, this class indicates which type of document you are going to type. Now, I am going to type one article. Okay, so reverse slash document class is a keyword or is a library function. Next one is the font size. Next, within the bracket braces, you can use which type of document you are going to type on this text editor. Okay, this is the first line. Next, I enter the next one. Now, this begin of document. When we click begin document from your text box, that box gives end document also. So here, I just type good evening. Good evening. This is my passage. This is each and every programming language has two steps. Okay. First one is compilation. When we compile one program, if some errors are occur in your program, after compilation, we got the error message. Otherwise, you can go to the next step, that is run. Okay. First, this is, we have double triangle. This is the compile program. Okay. This is the run command. Just see that good evening. Good evening. Okay. Suppose we want to save it. Go and save this one. Desktop. Sorry, no, don't go to the desktop, F folder. You can save at any place. For my convenience, I go LaTeX trial. Okay. Trial. This is number one. Save. Here, see that. Save as type text files. These are all the text files. TEX, bib, style, CLS, MP. These are all the text files. Okay, save. Now my file name is one.txt. Now I go to my folder. That is F:. This is my text. Okay. So now I compile. Run. Compile and okay. This is my good evening. Now we see so many files are there. First one is the source file. This is a text file. Okay. Second one is the RAR file. Okay, RAR means it contains so many documents. This one is the PDF. Okay, now I can click and see this one. This is the PDF file. Okay, so here we can use so many intervention in between the conversion of .tex file into .pdf file. These are all the informations. So when you convert one text file into PDF file, you can get these number of files in the folder. Okay. Now again I go to the text editor. Now I want to get this good evening as in bold letter. Okay. So I can use within the brace, I can use the BF. BF is a keyword to get the bold form. Reverse slash. Now I cut this good evening and fix it. Now I compile. See this good evening. Now I want to get font size 16. Now I want to get 11 or 10. Suppose I want to get italic. IT. See this. I want to get tiny size. I can use slantic. I can use. Suppose I want to underline it. I can use this underline. Just see the differences. See the difference. First one is bold. Second one is italic. And last one is the underline. Suppose you want to. Yeah, yes.
Yes, directly you can put here 20 points, so font size. So it
20.
can be easily visible, yes.
Yeah, 1 minute.
The very first line, 20 points.
Is this okay, sir? First one is bold and next one is italic and last one is the underline for whole good evening. Okay. Now I can.
Is it available in the beside?
12 pt is the default one.
Yes.
In this text editor, 12 pt is the default one. I will go to this text maker. I can show in this text. Same thing. I can go to the text maker. So this is good evening and good evening, good evening. This is article. You can get a book. Your alignments are totally different. Suppose You go to the thesis, we can get different type of alignment. Each and every document class have a different alignments. Suppose you go to report. You can get it. So now, this is the output of our text file. Good evening and this one. Next, we can just write anyone in your center. Okay, just go /begin center. Just we pick it up from your selection box, and I want to cut all the things from and fix it here. See this, one error will come. When, where, line 7, missing, see that, see this error message, missing brace inserted /n center. Now this one is highlighted. So we can suspecting our error is in between these two lines. Now I start one brace, here another brace, but I ends with single brace. So I will go to the next brace. So now I compare. There is no error message. Good evening and so on. Suppose I want to get a new line. First line we get good evening, second line and third line. Suppose I want to give some enumerating point. Begin, enumerate. Enumerate. Just when we use this enumerate, fix this one. Give one. Suppose you want to, the item name is alpha means you can give. A means you can give the points. Okay. That time we can use the itemized /begin itemized. Just we select itemized. So now here use the again one good evening. Bulletins. Suppose we want to use alpha, we can use here. So like this, you can use your enumerations or itemized points. That is a point-wise message. You can write your PDF. Okay. Suppose I want to get some
Hello?
array. I want to get some equations. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, it's I think second tab of result is not visible in the beside.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now this is visible.
Yes,
First
output
one
is
is
not visible, man. Yes, still
Yeah,
not
is it?
visible.
Still not. It is not visible. Now, sir.
No, still not visible.
1 minute, sir. Now is it visible, sir?
Yes, now it's visible.
Yeah. First one is enumerate. When we use this enumerate command, you can get 1. When we use this itemized, you can get this bulletin. Okay. Suppose we use, instead of number, we can use alpha, means just we type this dollar symbol as alpha and finish with dollar symbol. Now I'm going to compile. See that this alpha. So when we use this alpha, suppose you want to delete this one means just we go to description as begin.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Ma'am, can you set this screen as both can be visible? Now only output slides is visible.
Text in this text editor, our output will minimize, sir. When we get the compile and run, and then only we can get so the output window.
No, when you have started, no, so at that time the output was like in the B-sides
Yeah,
box,
okay.
but
Oh,
now only one tab is coming. Presently, is output is coming
1 minute, sir.
on the screen. There is only output result.
Yeah, 1 minute. I will come back.
I think that this one is the last.
Now I'm going to this one and come from here. Now it is okay, sir.
No, still not okay. I think studio file is not visible now. Only
Studio-
output, yes, output result is visible presently.
But I have both
Please
pages
share,
in a single.
please share screen. Please share screen ops, directly screen.
1 minute. Now it is visible, sir.
No, still not. This is only output is visible.
Yeah, this is the text file. This is the text file. Now we visit. Now you can able to see the text file.
Only output file is visible here. You need to share screen again. Select whole screen.
Now it is okay, sir.
No, still not.
Still not. 1 minute, sir.
Visible in the screen.
Now it is okay.
Yes, now index is open. Yes, now I think it's yes, now it's fine. Yes, please continue.
Yeah, okay, sir. Suppose you want to eliminate this one. Okay. Now you go to /begin description. Just you select this one. Instead of label, we can fix any type of the things, item, dollar symbol, beta, again fix dollar symbol. Now compile it. Just Control C and fix this here. Now I go to compile. Here we saw an extra bracket. So just we eliminate here. Now we compile. See that 1.alpha. Next we have bulletin. Next we have beta. Suppose we fix beta dot. See that beta dot good evening. 1 dot alpha. Alpha is a sub itemized. Next one is itemized by the bulletin. Next one is beta. Okay. So we have enumerate, itemized, description for bulletin points typing. So this is the very primary things you're typing on your text editor in Text Studio. We can use the same thing. You can use same thing in your text maker or a text work. Now I am going to work on text work. Just here, this green button is compilation and this is PDF file. See that. This is the output. Did you see my window, sir?
Yes, please continue.
Yeah. This is the text work. Now I'm going to perform the same thing in text maker. Now, going to LaTeX. Just leave off some place. 90, save. Again, go to PDF LaTeX. Is the running one. Okay. So again, I get the output. So each and every text editor have a different type of platform to perform the same. Now I show the things. This is a trial version. Yes, let's see. And if it's 78, see that. This is good evening, good evening. And this is a very simple coding which is performed on Text Studio, Text Maker, and Text Work. Now, this is a LaTeX draw. You can draw any shape on this. Automatically, we can get the generated coding. Just you can copy and paste into the text editor. You can get the same shape in. We can see later. We can see this at 4th day of this program. Next, text code is used to modify our picture. LaTeX draw is used to draw the new picture. LaTeX CAD is used to modify our existing picture. Okay, this we are going to see this in later. Now, I hand over the section to Prem Kumar sir. Prem Kumar sir will deal the Vacoma text editor as well as the Win. Prem sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
So good evening, participation. So I would explain the concepts of WinEdit and then Vacoma text. So ma'am must explain the basic concepts of LaTeX and then how to install the MikTeX 2.9. So and then further versions of the text files. And she was explained the documentations, how to documentation in the LaTeX and how to write the program in Text Maker and then Text Studio. Okay. But the same program I want to using for in WinEdit. Okay. So WinEdit is another one text source file in LaTeX. But main file is MikTeX is a main file. So all of the text file is one of the source text editing files. Okay. But the same program I am using for in WinEdit. So before that I can so now we can see for the equation. So LaTeX is mainly uses for the typing of mathematical formulas. Okay. So So we can, the formula is in very high quality. So difference between we can taking that Word and text file. So this is the high quality. So this equation in type in Word. So j of x dot comma u dot equal the values of integral of t naught to infinity, and then f of x of t comma u of t comma t is and dt is and type in Word. At the latex we can type the equations in different type. So it was a very high quality in latex. So I have to using for in WinEdit. The benefits of WinEdit is, so this is the file of WinEdit. So each and every mathematical symbol will displayed in the top of the screen. Okay. So math of equation, and then Greek letters, symbols, and then international letters. So on typeface with value, and then functions. So everything will displayed in top of the window. Okay. So at the beginners we can using for what you have to, suppose you have to taking for integral. Okay. So we cannot what is the keywords of the integral. So just we can refer the top of the WinEdit. So all the symbol will be available in of your screen. Okay. So just we can click on that symbol, automatically the symbol will displayed in your screen. Okay. So how to use in WinEdit? Okay. So first you can start in new window. So I have to using for the same program in LaTeX. So every program will start with a documentation class. So class. So document I have to fit the size of 12 feet. I have to using for the article format. Then I can use it for the begin document. You can define for the end document. Okay. So suppose you are using for that any one mathematical symbols or any one of the equations. Suppose I have to type that printed the versions of alpha. We can using for the every mathematical symbol will type in within the dollar symbol. Okay, so we can using the dollar symbol. So we have to type in every mathematical symbol will be using within the dollar symbol, and then every keyword will be must begin with slash back. Okay, so backslash. Okay. So I am using for the alpha slash alpha. Suppose you know that the what is the keyword of alpha. So just we can refer that Greek word, and then we can click that alpha. Automatically the symbol will be pasted in our screen. So just we can save that document. First we can locate that file. Okay. So where is the file location? So we can create for lot of files in your folder. So we can create for one folder. So this is for LaTeX. So now I can save that program. So just click on save button. Go to desktop and then choose that folder. LaTeX. Okay. So you're giving a name. So for LaTeX. So just we can compile that program. First we can set that main file. So we suppose you are using for WinEdit. So you can set that main file. Suppose any other for modification or file. So you can set for that main file. So and then you can we can compile that. The program will be click on that LaTeX. Okay. So you can click on that LaTeX. The program will be run out, and then you can run that program. So deviate to the PDF file. The program will be converted to the PDF. So the route will be the displayed. So alpha. So this is the main uses of WinEdit. Okay. So another one benefits of WinEdit. Suppose you have to typical mistake or typical error in of your document. So easily we can locate that error in this WinEdit file. Okay. And then we can using for the article. So ma'am will be explaining for the basic things of LaTeX. Some other things I have to explain for that. Suppose you have to typing that word of hello. At the same word will be different in the different font style. So the document 12-bit is some standard format of our article. We can using for the article. Article will be the displayed for the standard font size is 12-bit. Suppose you have to display for the hello will be the largest term. So you can using for the different types of font size will be available in LaTeX. Suppose you have to tiny. The hello will be displayed in very small. So I have to using for the different styles in text. Script size. The same word will be displayed. Suppose you are using for the largest space. So tiny is the very smallest word, and then script size is the slightly bit biggest in tiny. And then using for the small. Another one is on large. So another word is on the large, and the first letter will be the capital. And then using for the another one larger file. Next week is using for huge. So these are the font size, different font size in LaTeX. So I have to run the program. We can see that the difference between that. These are all the types of the. So I have to that means I can run that program. These are the difference. So first one is on tiny. So second one is on script size. So third one is on small size, and then fourth one is on large, and then extra large. First letter will be the capital, and then second one is on all the letters are capital, and then fifth one is on we can using for huge, and then last one is on we can use for some high level of word. Okay. Suppose you are using some other word will be highlighted, or some other word will be different from the at the same file, different from the different word. So you're using for that different number of codings. Okay. So in of our article, suppose you are typing for any, you can send about any on the paper. Okay. Suppose you are using for the article. Suppose you are writing for article, so you have to put your title, article title, and then article name, and then some other else in that using that program. Okay. So you have to putting the title of the article will be fixed in that before that documentation section. So you're using for the title, the article will be automatically will convert to the title, and then author, the author of the size, and then title of the size, and then everything will be automatically will be converted in the article form. Okay. A simple program, and then giving the author name. suppose you have to Swapnadhar, you can display that date. Now we can run that program. The program will be executed, only the begin and end document will be executed. Suppose if you want to the title and then author name and then date will be displayed, you can take in that make title of value. Okay? So you can using for the word of make title. Okay. So everything will be displayed in of your top of your article paper. Okay. So what is the difference of that value? So just I have to set mine. I have to run compile that program. Then I will be run that program. The simple program will be the title of your article, and then x-axis is the author name, and then August 2021 is the date of the August of 2021, and then these are the documentation value. Okay. Suppose if you want, suppose you cannot create the make title, so it will be the error. Okay. So just we can display for that main document only. So not visible in title and then author name, date. No one can display in of your article. Okay. So just you can using for that make title. So before the document you can use for everything. Okay. So the main uses of a linear design, easily you can locate the error. Suppose I have to type in the wrong equation. So before that I have to how to type the equation. Okay. So just I can type for one equation in quadratic. You can find the roots of the quadratic equations. So you can using for the double column. So what's the formula of the quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus so root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So I have to display for that equation. So minus b and using that plus or minus the value. Suppose you want to know that symbol. So everything symbol is will be available in of your top of the screen. Okay. Where it is not. So every symbol will be displayed in the top of the screen. So just you can click on that screen. So minus b plus or minus, and then you can use it for square root. So square root also will be displayed in the screen. Or you can type that keyword SQRT is a keyword of the square root. So square root of type between the values of the that braces. So p squared. So squared you can use in that cap p squared minus 4ac. So divided by that values of 2a. So divided means we can using that fractions of value. So before that we can using the fraction slash fraction frac is the keyword of the fraction. So we can using that first braces will be the numerator and then second braces will be the denominator. Divided by the values of 2a. So we can suppose you can using for any one braces is missing, the program is not executed. Okay. So just I can run that program. No error. So directly we can. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So and then second it will be continued. Suppose it will be displayed in the next line. So we can using for that break the line. Okay. So double slash will be the break the line. The line will be displayed in the next line. Okay. Suppose you are using for some other error. So how to locate that error? So you can suppose I have to use one braces will be missing. So I have to miss that braces. SQRT and then B will be the same thing. So I have to set main, I have to run compile that program. Okay. So what is the error? But we can using the Technique Center or Text Maker, we cannot display it for the error. In WinID, we can display for the error. What is the error? At the part of that value, so we cannot identify the symbol of SQRTP. So we cannot identify that symbol. Okay. So we can locate that error. Suppose we can using for the biggest file, so we can using that line. So what is the line? Then the line number is an 8. Okay. So just we can close that compile button. Suppose this is for the smallest program. Suppose we can take it for the largest program. How to locate that line? So we can using for the control plus G. Okay. So what line will be that error? So suppose you are taking the line number 8, just you can 8 that number. So you can enter that. The cursor will be automatically go to the line number 8. So that line will be the error for that. So just we can go to the line. So what's the error? SQRT will be the error. So therefore, using that place of that value. Okay. So this is the WinEdit. So and then I can explain for that Bokomatic. So Bokomatic is easily locate that error. Okay. So just we can that the same program I can open in Bokomatic. So just before that I have to and that program. So this is the symbol of the Bokomatic. The Bokomatic is one mainly uses for we can locate that error. How to use the same text. So this is the benefits of the Bokomatic. So you have to you should be anything right in that program, automatically the output will be displayed in the top of the screen. Suppose you have to type that anyone what you have to type in your file screen, automatically the output will be displayed in the top of the screen. So I have to type in for good evening. The good evening will be displayed in the top of the screen. Okay. Suppose you have to typing for the 100 pages of article. Enough our article will be some of the error in the 15th page or 20th page, anything that is. So just we can click on that output. The output will be automatically moves on that page by page wise. Okay. So easily you can locate that error. So just you can click on that output. So directly the cursor will be go to the in that line. Okay. And then another one version. Suppose you are using for that tab of that value. So man will be missing for the tab. So you are using for one tab of that value. You can using for the keyword of quad. QUAD. Okay. Suppose you are using for QQR. So you can move to the certain number of tab. Okay. So you suppose you are using for some other tab. So this is the main benefits of that Bokomatic. Okay. So just how to run that Bokomatic. So you can type that program. So how to run that Bokomatic? First you can save that file. So this is the save that file, and then you can compile or refresh to the of our document, and then you can run that program. So you can export PDF, and then you can generate that PDF. Okay. So PDF will be automatically generated. Okay. So what you have to type good evening. So it will be the at the same program will be automatically change in that. Now if you are in edit at the same time I will be open. What you have to change in your Bokomatic at the correction will be automatically change in the latex file also. So just also I have to open the latex file. the correction automatically updated. So good evening will be automatically updated in one of your text file also. Okay. So that's the benefit of Bogomatic. Okay. And then we can using for that italic and then bold and everything will be. Suppose you are using for the italic and using for IT. So another one keyword of italic is an mbackup slash emph using also. It's an italic style. Okay. Suppose you are using for mbackup. So another feature of in WinEdit. Okay. So every keywords will be the colored. Okay. So normally it will be the black letter. So what you have to type in our main text is in black letter. Suppose you can using for any one keyword. So the keyword will be the different color. So title will be the different color, document will be the green color, and then every equation will be the color for. Suppose you can using for that enumerate, the man will be using for enumerate in Text Studio. So the same as I am using for that in WinEdit. You have to begin. Okay. So I am using for enumerate, every will be the highlighted. Okay. So now we cannot highlight for each one. Suppose you have to begin enumerate. So every line will be the highlighted. Suppose you can somebody you can forget that end, we can putting that end enumerator. Okay. I am using for end. We can type that begin and end enumerator will be everyone will be the highlighted in. So every line will be the highlighted. Okay. Suppose you cannot using for that end enumerator. So every line will be the highlighted. Suppose you have to run that program, the program will be error. So you have to run and then compile that program. What is the missing? So end document is missing. So end document means some other will be open but not closed. So what the document, the line number 31 will be missing. So you can compile that control G, the line number 31. The end document will be the missing. So just you can begin enumerate using the begin enumerate. So every line will be highlighted. So therefore, we can eliminate that end enumerator. Okay. Suppose we can align that program. Okay. So we can align for we can using for the one of equation. Suppose you can using for the equation, the same number of equations you can using for begin. So you can using for the begin and end equation. Suppose you can using that begin and end equation, we cannot using for dollar symbol. Okay. So just we can using for begin and end will be enough. Suppose outside that document we can using for any one mathematical symbol. You should using for that dollar symbol. So suppose we can using for the begin and end equation. So we cannot using for that any one dollar symbol. Okay. So just you can save the program. You can compile. The equation number also displayed that. So equation number 1 and 2 something that everything will be displayed for that. So article heading and then author name will be displayed. So you can using that enumerate is the first one is an hello, second one is an also hello. So we can using for that equation. So equation automatically will be generated in center of the page. Okay. And then what is the equation number? So equation number will be 1. Suppose if not, so we cannot display the equation number. So just we can click equation star and then end equation star. you can using for the package. Sorry, so next class I will using for the package. So this is the output. Suppose you are using for the sections of the value. Okay. So sections means we can use for the first session and second session. So just we can click on that article. So slash section. So introduction. So this was the first section. So you can using for the section number also will be the displayed in our output. So first session automatically will be bold. So session number 1 will be the introduction part, and then you can use for the different types of section in subsection of you can use for the next session also. So mainly we can use for the article